Hello guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss screen reader. So why we are using screen reader and what is the benefit having via using this screen reader, and those are the things we are going to look under this video. So without much more talk, let's jump into the video. So screen reader, when you hear this word screen reader, you will know it's a kind of a software. It's a piece of a software. It's a piece of a software. You can use that software and you can read the content, visual content, verbally. So that kind of facility having this kind of software. So this is all about screen reader. So if you take a screen reader, so normally most of the people are using that is having a disability. Let's say if you are a blind person or if you are vision impaired person, so screen readers will help you to access computers and what else, what are the things having in the computer. It will read and verbally read to you. So that's kind of facility having in these screen readers. So you all know we also human, they also human. So what is the difference between them and us is we are seeing the world with our eye, but if you take a blind people, they can't see the world. So whatever the things they will imagine in the inner heart. So that is the difference between them and us. But as usual, we all are humans. Everyone have a dream, and they also have the same dream. So if you take a blind person, so blind people, so visual impaired persons over the world, we can see the count 240 million peoples in the world. So yeah, absolutely, there's a lot of people. So it's very difficult if you can't let's say if you can't access the computer properly. So if you because of your disability, so what we can do is this kind of software will definitely help you to achieve whatever the things you want. So this is we are going to, in this video we are going to see the software plus what is the advantage of that, and these are the things we can have a look in this video. So there's one more thing. If you take a screen reader, so these softwares are honestly it is very expensive, and especially if you going to purchase something similar this refreshable braille, we can see that is refreshable. Yeah, it's refreshable braille. There's hardware called refreshable braille. There's a display, you can see some kind of the keys, like it's a kind of things the blind people can very well know. So if you are going to purchase that kind of hardware, so it's too much expensive. But I know if you can't afford that kind of device, obviously we have the alternative solution for that. So we can use that without spending single rupees. We can access anything free and open source. So that software name called NVDA. So NVDA is basically developed by a blind for blind. So this is basically extremely superb software. So I have tried this one and before also. So right now this for this content purpose I am show you how this will work. And one more thing I need to say this, because most of the blind people, if you take a blind people, so visual impaired person, they easily give up because of their disability. They thinking they can't do anything because of their disability. But I'm saying, yeah, you are the persons, you need to be motivated, because there's a lot of people giving up because of the disability. But I'm saying if you are still in a disability state, if you are a blind person or if you are a visual impaired person, that is no matter. the technology will help you to knock the door. So you can achieve definitely your dream, so we will help you to grow. So I will show you the software, that NVDA, that software. We are going to see that screen reader. Okay, so normally if you say this screen reader, what this screen reader will doing is, let's say if you have a content of the web, that will read for you basically. And also if you are install this NVDA software in your PC, so each and every hours, let's say you are hovering the mouse, so this will read the content, and loudly this will read, then you can understand this is the content what is on the screen. So this is what basically screen reader is doing for us. So let's have a look this our screen reader, and you can go to the Google. If you search Google, so in the Google you can search NVDA software. If you search NVDA software, my internet is little bit slow. So if you once you search this NVDA software in the Google search, you can see very first you can see this NV Access, the download the link. The first is NV Access Hub. That's the official site. You can go through there, and here how it is look like basically. So we believe that every blind, vision impaired person deserves the right to freely and access the computer. So I know for a blind people it's very difficult to access the computer without essential software. Without a software, definitely they can't access a computer. So but this kind of software definitely will help blind people, so vision impaired person, to access the computer basically. So this is yes, this is really cool, yeah, because this is the only kind of software I saw. This is really superb that I feel. That's why I come up with this video and this software. And you can see the official site. We create software which make that possible. These are just the contents, and the fact you can see here, million of people. There are 285 million of blind peoples, vision impaired peoples in the world. They all have an amazing gift, right, to contribute to society, but they need a right tool to realize their dream. Absolutely, this is the purpose of this reader software, screen reader software. So yeah, absolutely, this is totally free software. You can use without pay any money. So what you need to do is, so here is a place where we can download the screen reader, and these are some training materials, and here you can see the another content. Hi, we are Mike and Jamie. So our manifest: access technology no matter your language, location or financial situation, quality over growth, access over profit, software by the blinds for blinds. So this is all about their official site. You can see what their users saying. So these are the information you can go through the official site. So right now I'm going to download this. So you can click download button. So here you can click the download button. Yeah, if you are coming to here, you can see here the donation options. You can skip the donation at the time and click download button, then it will get download, right? So I don't want to download it again because I already downloaded this one. So I'll show you that. So I'm going to cancel this one first. right? So I'm going to download section and going to install. So right now let's enable my sound. I'm going to run this one. So let's see what's going to happen here. So right now it is it's a kind of a loud sound coming when we doing a first installation. Do you hear that? Yes.
Loading NVDA. Please wait.
Really amazing, right?
NVDA 51 Franklin Street 5th floor, Boston, Massachusetts 02110. NVDA long. I agree. And I agree.
Look at this. This is
I agree.
right? So if you hover here, so this NVDA software will read for you what is appear in your screen. So
I agree checkbox not checked. Alt plus A checked. Install NVDA on this computer.
You can install this on your computer, or else you can continue running this one.
Continue running. Create portable copy. Continue running.
I'm going to click continue running. I don't want to install this on your computer. If you really want, yes, you can install this on NVIDIA on this computer. So then what happen is, if you are log out and let's say you are shut down the computer and you are come up again, so this NVIDIA is reading basically. Let's say if you first time if you are logging, so it is saying enter your password. So that kind of things this will read for you. So if you want completely install, you can click that install NVIDIA on this computer button.
Install NVDA on this computer.
Otherwise you will click with continue run.
Continue running. Welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to NVDA. Most commands for controlling NVDA require you to hold down the NVDA key while pressing other keys. By default, the numpad insert and main insert keys may both be used as the NVDA key. You can also configure NVDA to use the caps lock as the NVDA key. Press NVDA plus N at any time to activate the NVDA menu. From this menu, you can configure NVDA, get help, option, keyboard layout, desktop, expanded.
So here you can see the keyboard layout is there. Keyboard layout, we can see the desktop and laptop. You can choose either laptop or desktop. So right now I'm using desktop, so I'm going to use a desktop.
Okay.
I'm going to click OK right now. So
welcome to NVDA.
Once hover this is saying OK.
Well, NV Access download Google Chrome Rahim. NV Access download. Clickable navigation landmark heading level 1 visited link graphic NV Access empowering lives through non-visual app. New tab Google Chrome Rahim. Toolbar. Address and search bar edit has auto-complete control plus L address and search bar. Stack Overflow selected. Document busy blank.
So right now I'm going to Stack Overflow for the testing purpose, and I'm going to hover this top question.
Top questions.
Let's use tab and see what this will going to read.
Stack Overflow link visited. Products link. Search landmark. Rahim Mohammed. 625 unanswered questions. Inbox submenu achievements submenu recent achievements. Review. Needs attention. Help center and other resources submenu 4 of 5.
Cool, right? So yeah, this is what all about this NVIDIA. This is really cool software they develop basically. So this is really I don't have a word to say. This is really amazing. So if you are a blind person or visual impaired person, doesn't matter, you can use to access the computer using this NVDA access. So if you click the tab, you can see this will read automatically for you, so then you can very easily to understand where you are in the screen. For example, I'm again going to click the tab button, then you can see this NVDA will reading loudly.
Winter bash link. Site switcher submenu, a list of all 178 Stack Exchange sites 5 of 5.
Let's say I'm going to hover some different
Skills,
ways.
not schools, are in demand among developers. Podcast 401, bringing AI to the edge, from the comfort of your living room. Providing a JavaScript API for user scripts.
So right now let's go to some e-commerce website. Let's say we are going to see the AliExpress. Let's see how this NVDA gave the help to navigate to the different tabs and different categories and something else. Let's see how it's work.
Posts, toolbar, address and search bar, and it has auto A, L, I, E, X, P, R, E, S, S, dot, C, O, M. AliExpress.com selected, document busy blank.
So right now there's a platform AliExpress. Yeah, let's see via navigating the different tabs.
Link. Sell on AliExpress link. Buyer protection link. AliExpress online shop. Get now. Special coupon delivery. Clickable sell. Buyer protection app link.
So my site is still loading.
/English/LKR link. Wish list link. Account link.
But
AliExpress smarter shopping, better living.
Here one thing
Visited link.
Here one thing we saw, that is if you are tapped to navigate, this is not getting highlight anywhere. But if you saw before the Stack Overflow, once we click the tab button, it is focusing with the element particular. But if you take in this AliExpress site, this is if I am click the tab button, it is not highlighting or not focusing the element anywhere, but it's reading somewhere. But this kind of things will be really difficult, because this, I'm pretty sure this is not this AliExpress site is basically not for accessibility support, I guess, because I see there's, if I am clicking something in the tab, so there's no any highlighting, there's nothing we are getting highlight in the elements. So that's the reason I'm saying this AliExpress is not accessibility support, right? So let's go to W3C website and see how it's there.
Smarter new A E S S N I N I T N I F space W3C S S N L. Google.com/search Q equals accessibility plus W3 shul and equals access to get missing HTML accessibility W3 main landmark clickable HTML accessibility W3 schools heading level 3 https://www.w3schools.com HTML access HTML.
Here you can see the HTML accessibility. Right now I'm navigating W3C school. So if you are a developer who looking this video, so whatever the website or whatever the web applications, so whatever the application you are creating, so you need to give a support to accessibility. That is very important topic, because you know, not only a person who visiting to site, there are blind people, on visual impaired person, also a human, they also visit to a site. So that reason you need to make your application support to accessibility also. So for example, let's say we can in the screen we can see the semantic HTML and semantic HTML and non-semantic HTML. If you take a semantic HTML, that is for example here you can see the button.
Report an error.
You can see the button here. So the non-semantic mean it is div kind of a thing. There's no any contents there, so that is the reason we calling that as a non-semantic HTML. And semantic mean it is a button. Let's say if you are a button, that button have a click and focus and everything's available there. So that is what the difference between semantic and non-semantic. More details you can see in this W3C's code. So yeah,
Less button, greater report an error, less slash button. A button is try it yourself, double right pointing angle bracket. Semantic HTML means using correct HTML elements for their correct purpose as much as possible. Semantic elements are elements with a meaning. If you need a button, use the.
Look at this. If you are using some kind of element, let's say in your website you are using something special character or something, then NVDA access very difficult to understand what they are coming to saying here. So then it will automatically get stopped. So that is there. So if you are going to implement or develop accessibility 100% accessibility site, so you need to consider this kind of thing. So let's in the W3C side, let's click tab and see whether it's getting focus or not. Let's see that.
Tutorials link, tutorials. References link, exercise, video, login, paid course, website, link home. Previous, HTML accessibility. Bootstrap, JavaScript, SQL link, SQL tutorial.
Here you can see
Accessible, SQL.
SQL. So this is getting highlight, right? If I'm
Python link, Python tutorial.
Again it is getting highlight.
PHP link, PHP, Bootstrap link, Bootstrap tutorial. How to link, how to. W3.css link, W3.css tutorial. Java link, Java tutorial. jQuery link, jQuery tutorial. C++ link, C++ tutorial. C number link, C number tutorial. R link, R tutorial. React link, React tutorial.
So let's say I'm going to click enter. So let's say let's see how it works.
React tutorial, link tutorials, link references, link exercises, link videos new, link paid courses, link website new, link HTML, link CSS, link TML, link CSS, link JavaScript, SQL, Python link, Python, W3.React get, Java link, jQuery link, jQuery to C, code link search, link translate, W3, link toggle dark code examples, click up, React intro link, React get started, React ES6 link, React render H, React JSX, React components, React class link, React props link, React events link, React conditionals link, React lists link, React forms link, React router link.
So let's see, this is
React plus.
You can see here this is a next. Right?
Next. Start learning React now. React allows us to create reusable UI components.
This is how all about this NVDA. So really the NVDA is really cool. So before that let me deactivate this application first. So this
notification NVDA menu. Exit.
So here is the place you can see
NVDA menu.
Once you click a right click, you can see here we have a preference tools, and likewise there's options we can see here. You can click exit and completely remove this from your computer.
Exit Intel, exit NVDA. Okay. Oh.
That's it. So if you hover right now, this is not going to work or not going to read anything here. So this is all about the NVDA. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So right now you all know, if you are a blind person or visually impaired person, you still have options to access the computer. So this is NVDA all about. So NVDA is really cool thing. So if your friend is a blind or visual impaired person, if you know someone who is a blind or visual impaired person, so you can tell about this kind of softwares available in the internet. So then they will have a look that one and download and access the computer via using that kind of softwares. So then guys, I hope you all enjoy my video. One more request I have, so if you are still not subscribed my channel, so go below and hit the red button and like our videos, and there's a bell button also. Click that bell button also, then once I upload a new video you will receive a notification which I have already uploaded a new video. So yeah, that is my kind request. And okay, then if you feel this is really a superb video and this is helpful to other also, your friend also, then please share this video with your friend. So then guys, we'll catch on a new video. Then bye.